Members of attention please. It's contest number 9 on your score sheet, the penultimate contest of the evening. It's sponsored by Celtic Sousa. Introducing to you in the red corner, from the Carnarvon Boxing Club, Stu Jones. And introducing to you, ladies and gentlemen, in the blue corner, from the Queen Boxing Club, Darren Roberts.
Cross him slow. Lead him back. Keep that shot still. Finish Steve, easy. That's a Steve one.
Action, Stu! Ariolo, Stu, Ariolo!
Go Darren!
Hands up, hands up, use your reach, Stu! Hands up, hands up.
Stu. Go Stu. You keep that shot easy.
Stu, hands up, hands up!
Yes!